Hi audience, good evening. To be with me again. As always, my name is Prass. You can simply call me Prass. And my YouTube channel is called Prass Gunturseto. I would like to present this video based on the book written by Dr. Murphy under a title, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I have seen miracles happen to men and women in all walks of life over the world. Miracles will happen to you too when you begin using the magic power of your subconscious mind. And this video is designed to teach you that your habitual thinking and imagery mold, fashion, and create your destiny. For as a man thinketh in his subconscious mind, so is he. Let's check out of this. Okay. Do you know the answers for the following question? We would like to check it one by one. Why is one man sad and another man happy? Why is one man joyous and prosperous and another man poor and miserable? Why is one man fearful and anxious and another full of faith and confidence? Why does one man have a beautiful, luxurious home while another man lives out a meager existence in a slum? Why is one man a great success and another an abject failure? Why is one speaker outstanding and immensely popular and another mediocre and unpopular? Why is one man a genius in his work or profession while the other man toils and moils all his life without doing or accomplishing anything worthwhile? Why is one man healed of a so-called incurable disease and another isn't? Why is so many good people, kind religious people, suffer the tortures of the damned in their mind and body? Why is it many immoral and irreligious people succeed and prosper and enjoy radiant health? Why is one man happily married and her sister very unhappy and frustrated? See, is there any answers to this question in the working of your subconscious and subconscious minds? The answer is there most certainly is. Now let me tell you the reason for creating this video. It is for the express purpose of answering and clarifying the above questions and many others of a similar nature that motivated me to present this video. I have endeavored to explain the great fundamental truths of your mind in the simplest language possible. I believe that it is perfectly possible to explain the basic, foundational, and fundamental laws of life of your mind in an ordinary, everyday language. You will find that the language of this video is that used in your daily papers, current periodicals, in your business offices, in your home, and in a daily workshop. I urge you to study this video and apply the techniques outlined therein. As you do, I feel absolutely convinced that you will lay hold of a miracle working power that will lift you from confusion, misery, melancholy, and failure, and guide you to your true place, solve your difficulties, sever you from emotional and physical bondage, and place you on the royal road to freedom, happiness, and peace of mind. This miracle working power of your subconscious mind can heal you of your sickness and make you vital and strong again. In learning how to use your inner powers, you will open the prison door of fear and enter into a life described by Paul as the glorious liberty of the sons of God. Releasing the miracle working power. A personal healing will ever be the most convincing evidence of your subconscious powers. Over 42 years ago, I resolved a malignancy. In medical terminology, it was called a sarcoma. By using the healing power of my subconscious mind, which created me and still maintains and governs all my vital functions until today. The technique I applied is elaborated on this video series, and I feel sure that it will help others to trust the same infinite healing presence lodged in the subconscious depths of all men. Through the kindly offices of my doctor friends, I suddenly realized that it was natural to assume that the creative intelligence which made all my organs, fashioned my body, and studied my heart could heal its own handiwork. The ancient proverb says, doctors dress the wound and God heals it. For the purpose of effective watching, I should end up this video at this duration. You can enjoy my video series in the next video release. Well, my great audience, I should thank you for watching. Keep on following my next video release. And don't forget, please help subscribe my channel. Give like as many as you like for every video and share it to your friends and colleagues. Once again, thank you so much. See you next. Thank you. Bye-bye.